On Corral Eagles to the Student of the Month Assembly in December. Make sure to listen to all the teachers to see if you can hear your name.
Thank you, Noe. Up next is Mrs. Magana.
Hello, Stone Corral Eagles. The student of the month for December is Kamsen Suksavat. Kamsen has been a great student. He has completed all his work assigned and he hasn't missed a single pickup day. I enjoy reading his journal and looking at his wonderful drawings. When he comes to pick up his work, he is very cheerful and friendly. Kamsan is a great kindergartner. Congratulations, Kamsan.
Miss Pike with first and second grade.
Hello, Stone Corral Eagles. Miss Pike is not in today, so I will go ahead and announce her student of the month for December. So she wrote a nice message for this student of the month and why she selected the student. So the person Miss Pike chose is the first grade student of the month is Jonathan Zaragoza. Jonathan is a wonderful boy who loves school. I know because he tells me how much he loves school, but he also shows it. He has perfect attendance so far this year, which means he not only shows up to class every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but he turned in all his work from the days that class is at home. Jonathan is not only a great student, but he is very kind to all his classmates, and he's a good friend to everyone. I love Jonathan's sense of humor and joy he brings to our class. Thank you for being in our class this year, Jonathan. I'm proud of you, Miss Pike. So Miss Pike nominated Jonathan for December Student of the Month. So congratulations, Jonathan.
Thank you, Ms. Haro. Up next is our second grade teacher, Ms. Zuniga.
Hi, I have chosen Alberto Quintero for December Student of the Month. Alberto participates in all of our discussions. He completes all his assignments and turns them all in. He's polite when he's on campus, he's on task and doing his work. He's a hard worker. If he doesn't understand something, he asks questions. And he does his best, no matter how hard it is. So I really enjoy having Alberto in my class, and congratulations.
Thank you, Ms. Zuniga. Up next is our third and fourth grade teacher, Ms. Reynoso.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am very proud to announce that Alyssa Soto was chosen because she exemplifies all the qualities of character counts. She's very respectful. She uses her good manners. She's considerate of other feelings. She's always willing to share her ideas, and she is very responsible. She does her best. She uses self-control, and she always has a positive attitude. So it is an honor to have chosen Alyssa Soto. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Reynoso. Up next is our fourth and fifth grade teacher, Ms. Perry.
For December, I nominated Sophie Benuelos for my December Student of the Month. Sophie is an all-around, strong, responsible student. Both her work in class and at home is finished carefully and well. In fact, the homework that was turned in right before the break, I did not get to until after the break. I couldn't quite remember how many pages I had sent home, so I just checked Sophie's so I could see, oh, okay, it was 15 pages I should be expecting back. Something I really appreciate about Sophie is that she has adapted well to Zoom. She is always on time. If she is supposed to be on another site, she is on that other site. And in fact, she's so good about following the schedule. Monday, when the kids were supposed to be going to Miss Haro, it was Sophie who reminded me, Miss Perry, we're supposed to be going to see Ms. Haro right now. So I really appreciate having Sophie in my class. She is a delight to have. I'm looking forward to maybe before the end of the year, actually having her in my classroom.
Thank you, Ms. Perry. Up next is Ms. Roman with Fifth and Sixth.
Welcome, Stone Corral. For the month of December, I would like to nominate Lupita Rangel as our 5th grade student of the month. Lupita is a diligent worker who takes her work seriously. She completes her assignments and always attends her online classes. She is also an active, willing participant during these classes. Lupita turns in her work on time and always puts high-level effort in her work. She works well with others and adds a positive attitude to our academic environment. Lupita exemplifies what it means to be a Stone Corral Eagle. Congratulations, Lupita, for being this month's Student of the Month. For our 6th grade candidate, I would like to congratulate Ricardo Fernandez. Ricardo is an excellent example of Eagle pride. He is hardworking, kind, and has a positive attitude. He goes above and beyond without being prompted. Ricardo has a very strong work ethic and takes initiative to help others as needed. Ricky is attentive in class, contributes to class discussions, and is always present during his online class sessions. Stone Corral is lucky to have students like Ricky to help make our school a better place. Keep up the great work. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Roman. Up next is our 7th and 8th grade teacher, Mr. Kemper.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. I have the fortune of having really good kids in 7th and 8th grade class. It's really kind of hard, as most of the teachers would agree with their classes probably too, to select, student of the month. But 2 did come to mind during the month of December. And the first one is a person who likes owls. And I'd love to be able to share my screen and show you the cute owls. I thought, oh yeah, they're cute and they're smart. And that kind of relates to the student. His name is Andy Soto. And when he first started 7th grade, I was concerned, but I'm not anymore. He is on the ball, he's engaged, and he is just an amazing person. If you don't know what he looks like, it's kind of what he looks like. But see, he has an owl in his background. And there's some studies that people have done, mostly in Britain, that people select animals that they like based on the attributes that they have. And so they actually have this online where he is work task oriented, which he really does, gets it done. He's disciplined, he prioritizes his work. He uses strategies that are proven for success. He tries really hard. He answers questions based on the situation, which is really interesting. He makes a lot of consideration in decision making. He multitasks, and they're motivated. And so it's amazing that actually fits him. That's why he probably chose an owl. So it's neat. And so really proud of you, Andy. Keep up the good work. For 8th grade, we have, and everybody knows her, and if you have met her, you love her. She's Veronica Mario. And matter of fact, she's so famous that there's a comic strip named after her on there. And so Veronica, though, is somebody who, if people who work with her really enjoy working with her, and they think that she just has a positive attitude. She has a passion for learning. Matter of fact, I'll post something on Google Classroom and then take it off really quick because I want to make it for another time. She'll already be in it when she's at home. She's really amazing. She has a passion for learning. She has the ability to think and learn independently. She has an inquiring mind. She writes well, and she works well with others. That's what I like about it. Matter of fact, sometimes when we do projects where you can work with other people, she'll solicit people who she knows are having problems, and she'll take them under her wing and she'll work with them in their groups. So she's been here since kindergarten. She wants to be a construction manager, which is like Bob the Builder, which I can't, because if you've ever seen her, she's a little tiny person. So, but she has a good mind, and she wants to go to the University of Michigan or Oregon State University, which is interesting. And she's really big into sports too. She also wanted me to tell you that she is really big in visiting San Bernardino National Parks and the city, and her favorite color is red. So congratulations, really proud of you, Veronica.
Thank you, Ms. Camper. Up next is Ms. Haro.
Thank you, Genesis. So for this month's character count nominees, they were selected because I saw that they participated during my character count presentation, and I also got some feedback from the teachers. So here are the following nominees for Caring Month. For Ms. Magaña's class, Ramon Leos. Ms. Pike, Jonathan Zaragoza. Ms. Zuniga, Alexis Bañuelos. Mrs. Reynoso, Surya Montes. Ms. Perry, Isabel Garcia. Ms. Roman, Andrew Garcia. And Mr. Kemper, Angie Soto. So congratulations, Eagles. You guys were nominated for Caring Month. And I want to remind you all to keep up with growing your character. Remember, it affects all parts of your life and you are responsible for making right choices. And don't forget that you will be receiving a lunch bunch on Thursday. So make sure that you come by and pick up your snack bag.
Ms. Haro, up next is Dolores with AR.
Good evening, Eagles. Buenas tardes, Eagles. Now it's time for me to recognize those that read during the month of December. Voy a reconocer a aquellos estudiantes que leyeron y participaron en sus lecturas en el mes de diciembre. We're going to start off, vamos a comenzar con la clase de la señora Zúñiga. We're going to start off with Miss Zúñiga's class. Khalil Cruz and Jaylene Villa. Congratulations, Khalil and Jaylene. And Khalil, you were the highest reader in Miss Zúñiga's class. Congratulations. Mrs. Reynoso's class, la clase de la señora Reynoso, de la Mora Alexa, Dilani Flores, Renaya Garcia, Esmeralda Méndez, Ruth Merino, Roy Ortiz, Mauricio Rivera, Diana Sarmientos, Jeremiah Tavares. Congratulations, Mrs. Roman's class. Felicitaciones a la clase de la señora Reynoso. And the highest reader, el que leyó más during the month of December, durante el mes de diciembre, fue Renaya Garcia. Congratulations, Renaya. Now we're going to move to Miss Perry's class, 4th and 5th grade. Vamos ahora a reconocer estudiantes de la clase de la señora Perry, 4º, 5º grado. Estrella Ávila, Sophie Bañuelos, Marisol Barrios, Gonzalo Castro, Edwin Cruz, Cristina Estrada, Isabel García, Martín López, Adalí Lozano, Amaya Márquez, Luis Pimentel, Virgilio Pineda, Junior Ramírez, Marely Rivera, Beatriz Soto, and Luna Tovar. And Edwin, congratulations. You were the highest reader in the month of December with 19.3. Edwin, felicitaciones. Tú fuiste el que leíste más en el mes de diciembre con 19.3 puntos. Congratulations, Miss Perry class. Your class earned 68.2 points. La clase de la señora Perry obtuvieron 68.2 puntos. Congratulations. Felicidades. Now we're going to go ahead and recognize Mrs. Roman's class. Ahora vamos a reconocer la clase de la señora Román. Cintia Castillo, Ricardo Fernandez, Christopher Flores, and Litzy Jimenez. The highest reader in Mrs. Roman's class was Litzy Jimenez. La que le obtuvo más puntos en la clase de la señora Román fue Litzy Jimenez. Felicidades, Litzy. Okay, now my last class, mi última clase, it's going to be 7th and 8th grade. Va a ser la clase del 7º, 8º grado. Adilene Ávila, Noe Ávila, Anthony Bañuelos, Verónica Barrios, Isaac García, Pedro Gonzalez, Jocelyn Marquez, Joshua Matias, Abraham Mendez, Andrea Rodriguez, Christian Rosales, Santellan Lupita, Jennifer Sarmientos, Andy Soto, Isaac Soto, Moses Soto, Steven Torres, Adrian Villa, and Genesis Zacarías. And the highest readers, los que leyeron más en la clase del señor Christopher Kemper, my 7th grader was Anthony Bañuelos, 5.9 points. Anthony Bañuelos con 5.9 puntos. And el del 8º grado, 8th grader, it was Christian Rosales, 9.9 points. Christian Rosales con 1.9 puntos. And the class that is going to receive the ice cream prize or award, yes, it's gonna, thank you, Mr. Fernandez. It's gonna be Mr. Camper's class. La clase que va a recibir el reconocimiento de, porque fue la clase que leyó más y todos los estudiantes participaron, because most of the kids participated during the month of December. It was Mr. Camper's class. Congratulations, 7th and 8th graders, and keep up with your reading. And don't forget that those that I name, especialmente los estudiantes que nombré, next week on Thursday, la próxima semana, el jueves, you guys are going to receive your prize for reading. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Dolores. Thank you, Ms. Dolores. And thank you for watching. I hope you all have a nice weekend. And that'll be it for this assembly.